I found some eBay sellers that make over $100 a day selling Pokemon on Pokemon Go. This one Pokemon right here, this seller has sold it 581 times for $16.90. So if we do the math on this example, $16.90 times 581 that have sold equals $9,818. Now eBay fees are going to be around 15%, so we can times this by 0.85 and we get over $8,300 profit. Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to my series of short videos where I show interesting ways that people make money. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're interested in this type of thing. In this video, I'm going to cover the business idea and basics of Pokemon Go, problems that players face, and how to get started. Pokemon Go was released in 2016, and while most people thought that it died out soon after that, the game is still one of the most popular mobile games of all time. It utilizes most features of a modern smartphone, like camera, GPS, and AR. And the basis of the game is that you can have the app open on your phone, you walk around, and depending where you are on the earth, different Pokemon will appear and then you can capture them. The problem that many players face is that some of these Pokemon are difficult to catch. Many of the game modes require you to be in a specific location or have larger groups of friends to win and catch special Pokemon. And with any popular game is a market where people buy and sell items or Pokemon. Sometimes it's frowned upon, but players will still do whatever it takes to catch them all. In this case, players will turn to eBay and other online marketplaces to buy and trade for Pokemon that they desire to have in their collection. Let's take a look at some eBay sales from a couple of sellers to show you how much you could make. Let's go ahead and go to this seller's profile, and then we can click see all items. We can scroll down on the left and we want to go to sold items. This will show us everything that they've been selling. And we can look at the dates here, May 14th, May 14th, May 14th. So they're selling 25, 35, 99. Lots of sales on May 14th, and these definitely add up. So this seller is definitely doing over $100 per day, as you can see. And these are all just Pokemon that they've caught in the past. And you can come in and see, okay, this one sold for $150. What is this? So if you have one of those on your game, you could probably also sell for this last sold price. Now I have an example of another seller right here. Poke Paradise Store, 67,000 items sold. Also just selling items on Pokemon Go. These ones are definitely cheaper items, but they are selling a lot of them. Definitely adding up to over $100 per day. So these sellers are treating this like a real business. They're putting in the time, they're putting in the work, they're listing their items, and they're making pretty solid money. As you can see, there's plenty of opportunity in this market to make some money as a side hustle. It's very similar to what a lot of resellers do for these hype-based items. Like they'll go to a specific drop, buy a special shoe that's hard to acquire that you can only get at that location. Then they'll sell it online for more. Just like any other business, you have to be willing to research, understand every detail of the game and market, and work at it daily. If you don't want to grind as much as some of these eBay sellers are, but you happen to live in a popular area or city, there may be what's called a Pokestop near your house. This is a little place that you can spin to get items like the balls that are used to catch Pokemon. If this is the case, you could buy a device called a Pokemon Go Plus Plus. It will automatically spin Pokestops, which will get you XP and items, and it will auto catch Pokemon for you. So you could just check in the morning to see if it caught anything rare and list that on eBay to make a few extra bucks. I think this is a pretty good example of how someone could start making money online through a mobile game. Let us know what you think of this down in the comments below, and if you're going to try it out. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.